Look at these two sentences. I'm eating and I'm sad. Both start with the same word, but have different endings. One uses ing, the other a description. Even though endings differ, I'm is just a shorter way of saying I am. To use this correctly, you simply need to choose the right path based on whether you are talking about an action or a feeling. Let's look at the first path. When describing an action happening right now, use this formula. I'm followed by a verb ending in ing. You can use this for almost any activity. For example, I'm eating, I'm driving, or I'm learning. A common mistake is using the verb by itself. In English, we do not say I'm eat lunch or I'm drive to work. To fix it, just add that ing to the action. I'm eat becomes I'm eating. I'm drive becomes I'm driving. Adding ing is what tells the listener that the action is happening right now. Now let's look at the second path. When you want to describe a feeling or a state, use I'm followed by an adjective. This path uses descriptive words instead of actions. You can say I'm sad, I'm scared, I'm interested, or I'm tired. Be careful with the word fear. I'm scared means you feel fear. If you say I'm scary, it means you are frightening other people. When you compare them side by side, the difference is clear. I'm eating is an action you are doing. I'm sad is a feeling you have. Choosing the correct pattern tells your listener exactly what you mean, if you are doing something or if you are feeling something. Let's try a quick test. Which of these is correct? Option A, I'm eat lunch, or option B, I'm eating lunch. Look at the two choices and pick one before we reveal the answer. Practicing these patterns now makes it much easier to use them correctly when speaking later. The correct answer is B. Since it's an action, we need eating. Just like the sentence, I'm learning English. Here is your master rule sheet. I'm means I am. Use ing for actions, and use an adjective for feelings or descriptions. You might want to take a screenshot of this to help you remember. Now try it yourself. Write one sentence using I'm in the comments. You can talk about an action or a feeling. Using these two patterns correctly is a great way to start speaking clear English every day.